Hi everybody, welcome back to Bubble Pop Kids. We have a super fun and sweet gumball show coming your way. Look what I found! I found this amazing emoji gumball machine. It's actually a gumball bank and the gumballs have little emoji faces on them. Cannot wait to test this out. I don't know about you guys, but I am so ready to try this and pop this baby out of the box. And we also have 6 different kinds of MASHEMS and FASHEMS to open. Look at this mix. We get Batman, MLP, we have some turtle action, we even have Frozen, Marvel, and Finding Dory. So much to do, so little time. Let's get this gumball party started and open it. Fresh out of the box, here it is. Ooh, those are not the actual gumballs. I think it's just a paper. It is so cool. I love this yellow color. It's just the cutest little room decoration. I think the gumballs are hiding. I think they're right in here on top. Here they are. Wow. They actually do have little emoji faces. Would you look at those? Oh, he's got this little tongue sticking out. Get a closer look at these. They're so awesome. Let's pop out one of my little gumballs, get a closer look. These have so much detail on them. Oh, look at this one, he's crying. And the second, ooh, this one is happy, playing around with a cute little tongue, and he's winking. They're just so cute. It's really hard to believe they are actually gumballs with all these little faces painted on. Ooh, this one is happy, smiling away. What else? What other little emotions are we gonna find? Ooh, we get so many of those playful ones. Couple more of those. What else? Oh, look at this one. She's giving a little kiss. This one has got to be my favorite. Look at those heart eyes. This is the best. So we get this little teary-eyed one. He's crying away. Looks like he's laughing and crying. The playful one, Mr. Happy. Little kisseroo. And our lovey-dovey heart eyes. Let's pop the top and pour these little gumballs in there. Wow, that is it. Look, I put all the gumballs in. It barely fills it up. I got an idea. We have some more yellow gumballs. They're just plain. They don't have little emoji faces, but I think we can pop them in. This machine will look a little better. Alrighty, I think it's building now. Tons of gumballs in there. So the next step, we have to get a quarter and put it right into the machine. This thing is so cool because you can save your money in here, save all your little quarters and change. So the quarters there, just gonna turn the dial and see what happens. Some difficulties, the machine flipped over. Let's try it again. Here's the quarter. Gonna pop it in and twist. It worked! Wow, so it worked. We got our gumball. Ooh, and the emoji we got is, ooh, if I can get it. Oh, the little kisser one. We are also gonna open the Batman Mashem. Here we go. So many cool characters to collect. I see Riddler, Joker. Ooh, I'm hoping for the Joker. He looks cool. And this is series 1. Got it. Pop the top. Boop. Ooh, look who we got. We got the penguin. Ooh, he's got his little spectacle. This one is so cool. It is so squishy. Kind of feels a little slimy and sticky. Our first Mashem of the day is the penguin, and he got the kissy emoji. Gumball machine is back, and our next Fashem, ooh, it's Frozen. Oh, I hope we get Elsa or Anna. We can get Olaf, so many cute characters to collect. What do you guys see? We open this up, and then we'll get one of them a gumball. Alrighty, we're opening this up. Yes. We got my favorite. Oh, we got little Queen Elsa. She kind of looks like a toddler here. She looks like a little girl. Her hair looks so pretty and yellow. Ooh, and it kind of fits on my thumb like a puppet.
Hi guys, Elsa Fashion here. Can
is a finger puppet. How cute. She's super squishy. Not as squishy as this one. This was more like a water balloon. But she is so pretty and cute. We have to get Elsa a gumball.
Oh, I hope I get the one with the little heart eyes. That's so cute.
Elsa is hoping for that cute emoji with the 2 heart eyes. Let's try and get it. What are we gonna get in here? See, there is a gumball there. Is it the one Elsa wanted? No, but it's closed. Ooh, we got the same one as last time, the little kissy guy.
OMG, are you serious? I got the little kissy gumball. So funny.
Ooh, this is fun. So our next mash 'em up is TMNT Ninja Turtle. Ooh, who are we gonna get? So many different turtles. I think we can even get Shredder. See? Alrighty, it is coming along. Getting the wrapper off. What turtle are we gonna get? Boop, pop the top. We got Donnie. We got the ultimate super squishy water balloon Donnie. It's so funny. I opened one of these mashems the other day and I got the same exact one. He's got a tiny turtle shell and a ninja stick. Oh, and he's missing a tooth. Alright, Donnie, so we gotta get a gumball emoji for you.
Gumball does sound totally awesome about now.
Here's the lucky coin. Just gonna put it in the machine, give it a twirly. We'll see. Whoop! Ooh, Donnie, you got the happy one. They have the same smile.
Totally amazing, Bubble Pop. We have the same emoji smile.
Would you look at that? They look like little twinsies. They are smiling, showing a lot of teeth.
Pop, I'm gonna keep this little guy as a pet. He's so cute.
Next one up is MLP. Oh, I love the little MLP fashions. They are super ultra squishy. And I'm hoping for Pinkie Pie. She is so adorable. Time to pop and reveal. Oh, look at this one. She's so teeny. Oh, I love this little one. I always see it, but I never remember her name. She's a little smaller than the other ponies. She's got a cute pink bow. If you guys know her name, I would love for you to leave me a comment. Squishy!
Leave that pony alone, Penguin. Hiya!
Oh, I still can't remember her name. She is too cute not to remember. Alright, so just leave me that comment and we're gonna get another gumball. Oh, our little pony got the funny one, joking around, sticking out his tongue. That was a good one.
Why? I wanted that one! Jeez, mister, why are you always so cranky? Just let it go.
Open 4 mashems so far. We still have 2 left to go. And the next one up, ooh, it's Marvel. We have all the different Avengers and superheroes. Iron Man, Captain America. Ooh, I wish we get Spidey. Up. Yes, we got him, finally. We got the Spidey Mashem. I think I've collected all the other characters, but not the red guy.
Congratulations, Bubble Pop. You got the best Mashem ever, Spiderman. Oh, forgot to tell you, Spidey wants a happy gumball.
Ooh, and Spidey wants a happy gumball. He must want one of those smiling guys. Super, super squishy. Probably the squishiest of all of them. Feels like a slime ball.
Come on, Bubble Pop, get Spidey a gumball. I got your quarter right here.
Oop, and Spidey brought his own quarter. Perfect. Let's put this in the machine and he wants a happy one. Let's see.
You gotta be joking me, Bubble Pop. This one's crying and I wanted a happy one.
Thanks. Sorry, Spidey. I know you wanted the happy one. Maybe these are happy tears. You got the little crier emoji. We are on to the final mashem of the day. We still have to get one more gumball out of this machine, and it's gonna be a Finding Dory one. Let's see, and for this one, I hope we get Dory or Nemo. We got her! Finally! We got Dory!
Ah, Bubble Pop, you knocked me over with the
Sorry, Elsa. The little MASHEM jar knocked you down. There you go. And finally, after opening so many MASHEMs, I got the Dory one. Yes. She looks beautiful.
Boo! Stop doing that to people, it's not nice! My turn, Bubble Pop, please give me a gumball!
No problemo. Gumball coming right up. Here it is. Let's see which one you got, Dory. It is... Oh, you got the funny one. Here it is, the Emoji Universe Gumball machine. Hope you enjoyed it. So many funny little gumballs. We also got tons of MASHEMS and FASHEMS. Woo, super squishy. We got the penguin from Batman, the beautiful Elsa, Ninja Turtle Donnie, Tiny MLP, Spidey. Last but not least, prettiest blue fish in the sea, we got Dory. Ooh, and I almost forgot, I never tried one of these gumballs. Let's put one last quarter and taste one. And I got the funny face. Those gumballs taste like lemon. I didn't even know that. That's the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed everything from the gumballs to the MASHEMs. And we are going to have so many more fun videos coming up on the show. This is Bubble Pop Kids. You can click this big red subscribe button here and subscribe to our channel. Have a great day. Bye.